So as you can see, this floor in a bathroom ensuite has got deep ingrained soil in it that's built up over time, and the safety aspect causes this. Here you can see that I'm agitating using special pads and a chemical to loosen up the soil so that it's ready for extraction. As you can see, the floor is coming up nice and clean. This is after just one pass. I'll need a few more passes to get it perfect, as you'll see on other pictures, but the customer was really happy with the result here. So now you've got a really clean floor, smells great, nice and citrusy. The customer commented that it looks brand new, and that'll be good for probably another year or so. So it's still got the safety flooring aspect to it, so its anti-slip properties haven't been affected. It just looks brand new.